2025. Ukraine wakes up to the roar of sirens, the sky lit with missile trails and fireballs. Russia has just launched one of its largest aerial assaults since the start of the war. But amidst the chaos, Ukraine loses something irreplaceable: a newly deployed F-16 fighter jet and its pilot. Over 120 cruise missiles, 40 drones, and 20 hypersonic projectiles rained down across Ukrainian airspace. Russia's objective: overwhelm air defenses, target command centers, and crush morale. In the middle of this chaos, a Ukrainian F-16, part of the newly arrived Western aid, is deployed to intercept, but it never returns. The pilot, Major Andriy M., was among Ukraine's most experienced combat aviators, trained in NATO bases, respected by peers, and one of the first to fly an F-16 in combat over Ukraine. His final transmission: a warning about multiple inbound hypersonic threats. Russia's attack wasn't random. It was a coordinated multi-wave strike using Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, Kaliber cruise missiles, and the infamous Shahed drones. Ukrainian sources claim they intercepted 70% of the threats, but some broke through. One of them targeted the F-16's return path. Analysts believe the F-16 was locked onto by a Kinzhal missile. Traveling at Mach 10, it gave the pilot almost no time to react. Despite launching countermeasures, the jet was hit mid-air. Both aircraft and pilot lost. This attack wasn't just about destroying hardware. It was psychological warfare, designed to remind Ukraine and the world that Russia still holds a terrifying aerial advantage. But Ukraine isn't backing down. Despite the loss, their resolve strengthens. President Zelensky calls the fallen pilot a hero. NATO nations express outrage and accelerate F-16 deliveries, while intelligence sources say Ukraine may soon receive long-range missiles in response. But experts warn the skies are now deadlier than ever. What's next in this war of skies? Will NATO's air tech finally tip the balance? Or will Russia continue to dominate with brute hypersonic force? One thing is clear: every pilot sent into this battle now carries the weight of history on their wings. To the fallen pilot, we salute you, and to the world, stay tuned, because the air war over Europe is only getting started.